Here in this problem, given osmotic pressure of a fructose solution is 78.0 torr at 25 degrees Celsius. We have to find the molarity of the solution. Here given 1 atmospheric pressure is 760 torr and the gas constant R is also given here. Now recall that formula pi is equal to ICRT. Here pi is the osmotic pressure, I is Van 't Hoff factor, and C is the molar concentration, and R gas constant, and T is temperature in Kelvin scale. Now here T given 25 degrees Celsius, and we'll convert it into Kelvin by adding 273.15.